So today we're going to take a look at the new camera from Wyze. This is their outdoor camera. This just came out and it was a very successful pre-order campaign that they had where they were getting feedback from people and they actually sold a lot of them in pre-order. The nice thing about this particular one is compared to their previous versions, this is completely wireless. You're able to put this literally anywhere in your house, and it comes with a nice mount that you can actually put it anywhere outside as well. The battery life is roughly between 3 and 6 months, depending on usage. Their calculation is based on having roughly 10 to 12 events that it records in a given day, and that gives you between 3 and 6 months. So roughly, you can probably get a whole season out of that if you're not having as many events happening and triggering that particular device. Because it's an outdoor camera, it's IP65 rated, so it's weatherproof, waterproof, dustproof, all those types of things. Although they do recommend not installing it in direct sunlight because that can actually diminish the battery life, because if it gets too hot, that will decrease the battery. It does work a little differently than the other cameras though. Previously you would just plug it in and you'd be good to go. This one you actually have to use a wireless hub. The wireless hub connects to your router via an Ethernet cable and then provides the connection to the camera via Wi-Fi. And the nice thing about the hub is you buy this kit and you get one hub, but you can actually have up to 4 cameras connected to it. So the additional cameras cost about $40 US, about 53 Canadian, and the entire kit is about 50 US or just under 70 Canadian as well. Some other nice features, again, like the previous cameras, it's 1080p, full HD. You actually get 12 seconds recorded to the camera for free. There's also a micro SD card slot underneath, so it can actually record things like scheduled recordings or even a time lapse if you want to record that as well. Take the SD card out, you have access to it, or using their app as well. The other nice thing about this particular camera is the night vision mode. The previous version uses something called pixel comparison, and this would actually use the video feed to see if anything had changed. It's not a super accurate way of doing that, so now they're using passive infrared in this camera, so that actually is a much higher level of detail to be able to compare and notice movements and trigger the motion sensing functionality of the camera. So that's a great upgrade as well. Like I said, this is out now and it's from Wyze.